case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1989, the Supreme Court of Kentucky heard the case of Rose v. Council for Better Education, Inc., focusing on the responsibility of the state government to ensure all students receive a good education and the adequate funding for it, even if some duties are delegated to local school boards. The lawsuit was filed by the Council for Better Education against Kentucky state officials for their failure to establish an effective common school system. The trial court ruled that the current system was unconstitutional and discriminatory, prompting the formation of a committee to propose potential solutions. The Supreme Court of Kentucky ultimately confirmed that the duty of creating and maintaining the statewide school system fell upon the General Assembly, while also safeguarding local school boards' autonomy. However, the court found that the Assembly had not yet met its obligation to create an efficient system and mandated new legislation to address this issue. This decision has sparked conflicting opinions among judges, leading to a delay in implementing the new public school law. The court ruled that the General Assembly bore the responsibility to provide an efficient common school system by creating a new system that meets constitutional standards and ensuring adequate funding. The decision allows citizens to supplement the system without reducing its minimum quality, and local boards must efficiently perform their duties under the General Assembly's control. The court stated that it is the constitutional duty of the judiciary to guarantee that every child in the state receives an adequate education, as intended by the Constitution's framers.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class